Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking about roses. Oh, those thorny little buggers. How many times have you hurt yourself? Now yes, you can take a knife and carefully remove them, but it's tedious and time consuming. And if you accidentally scrape, it shortens the life of the rose. You could use a commercial stripper. Again, you risk damaging. I strongly recommend, and if you've taken classes with us, you know, a heavy-duty glove. You can run your hands down, removing the thorns, blunting the ends, and there's no risk for damage to the bloom. Now you know how the pros do it.